Good morning, I'm Pekaro. This is my assignment part 3, and this is the web to show the weather of the city. And this will call my API in part 2. And first, user can choose login and register in the web, and we have a file-based database to save the user data. And users can register by this form, and the form have very limited uh, to the user input, and this will be so loud, and the test case will show the the case with the register. And now I will show the main function of this website. And user cannot use the very function and when they are logged in, and they can only choose the city and check the weather in the city by call the API. And let's log in to the web. And when they input log exit user name, and they will remind you, and if your password wrong, and this will remind you to the alert. And so we log in, and this will have an alert to login success, and the function will be unlocked and have a logout button, and they can log out by this button and log in again. And okay, and we have a API to save the data in the database, and we can call the API to load the data, and loading success, and the data will show in the table. And we have some function about the data, and we can click the city name to sort the table, and we can click the weather and sort the table by weather or the name. And next is the filter, and I can the user can choose the different weather to filter the table, and also they can check the city, and we can call the API to add the new city by choosing, and we add account and click add button, and we will call the API to add the new data. And when we refresh the web, and the new data will be added, and also it will add in the database. And the update and delete function is same, and we choose in the about the add function, and if you want to add the function is already exist, and this will remind you by the alert. and also update if you want to update log exit city, and this will remind you, and we can update Hong Kong, and this will call the API to update the Hong Kong data, and also the data in database will be updated, and we can delete the data by select, and also we can log delete if there are no data, and we delete Hong Kong, and we will call the API to delete the data, and the Hong Kong data is deleted. Uh, yes, and we let's sorry, and let log in again, and the data will deleted. Yes, but yes, when you delete and calling the API, and the data at the table will delete too. And let's talk about the code thing. And this the HTML design, and this the style sheet about the button or the HTML design. And this our code, and first we will get the data from the API, but I don't know how. I don't know why I cannot get the data from my API. So I get the data in the Firebase API. Yes, and this will save the data into a array. The cities array. Yes, and this the limited the function if the user is not logged in, and this some on-click function about the button, and this can this will take the user data from Firebase API, and this the low data function, and the data will be added to the table by click the low data button, and this function will add the row to the HTML table, and this is the sort table function, and it's about sorting the table. This is some sorting code, and the filter about the filter button, the on-click function, and the delete data on-click function, and this will call my API part2 to delete the data in the table, in the array, and in the database. And the add data function and update data function is also same, and call my API to do the the, the function. And this is the function to register and save the data into the Firebase. And this will mainly checking, but I have not show in this video, and I will show that in the test case document. And this is the login function to login, and this code is to unlock the function. about the button. And search function is called my API, and this is some function to about the limit and lock or unlock the function when the user log in or log out. And yes, and this is the end of the video. Thank you.